Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted here, apart from a few shorts here and there, but I am back and I am happy to invite you to the first video of 2025. And I thought, what better way to start the year than with a fantastic new facial treatment. So today I will be showcasing a treatment that combines some well-known staple products from Norel Dr Wilsz brand with exciting recent releases like their Cosmetic Anti-Age peptide line. And I am equally happy to share this treatment with you as it is a straightforward yet highly effective procedure, perfect for any mature complexion, and it delivers incredible results, leaving skin regenerated, radiant and youthful. But before I share with you the treatment itself, since it is the beginning of the year, let me briefly introduce myself, especially for those who are new here and might not know who is actually talking to you. So my name is Joanna Bojarska and I'm a professional beauty therapist with over 17 years of experience in the beauty industry, and since 2015 I've been running my home-based beauty studio, Beauty by Joanna Bojarska, and last year I've launched a new platform for beauty professionals called JB Pro Touch, which provides tools and tailored advice to help your businesses to grow successfully. And 2024 was an extraordinary year for me, as I was first and foremost honored to win the national first place in the home salon category at the Hair and Beauty Awards, and I also received 2 Diamond Finalist Awards at the BABTAC and SIPTAC Awards for the Best Individual Salon of the Year and the Best Beauty Therapist of the Year. And saying these accomplishments out loud still gives me goosebumps, but I share this with you to show you that if I could achieve this, so can you. And just step out of your comfort zone, follow your passion, and believe me, magic can happen. But now enough about me, let's move on to the main topic of this video, the New Year Regeneration Peptide treatment. And this professional treatment uses some extraordinary active ingredients and products to achieve regenerated, hydrated and youthful skin. And let me walk you through some of them. So first of all, we will be using some Peat Mud mask, and that mask which we will be using today is rich in humic acids, bitumens, enzymes and mineral salts, providing that anti-inflammatory, astringent, cleansing and detoxifying effects. And peat mask is very often used at many spas and wellness center, so it's a trusted ingredient for brightening and rejuvenating the skin. Then we also have that earlier mentioned cosmetic drones with copper peptides. So this innovative technology has been used in Norel Dr Wilsz newest products, and here we are talking mainly about the copper peptides, which are encapsulated in drone technology to target fibroblasts directly, stimulating collagen, elastin and proteoglycans without causing any irritation. And the results you will get is the smooth, bouncy skin with youthful glow. Then we also have an active ingredient called Timlog, which is trademarked name, and this is a biomimetic plant-based equivalent of TIMPT2, which basically means it protects collagen, promotes its regeneration and repairs any damage. And then we have also ascorbosilins, C. holobiosis, silk proteins and vitamins and oils. I mean, this treatment is packed with ingredients that protect and revitalize mature skin. The treatment itself is a relaxing, no downtime experience, and the results are visible after the very first session. But I know it's just me talking right now, so maybe let me show you how it is done at my beauty studio, Beauty by Joanna Bojarska. Every treatment at my beauty studio begins with a detailed consultation, and during this time I discuss the client's current skincare routine, review their medical history and address any specific concerns they may have. This helps me to tailor the treatment to their unique needs and ensure the best results. So we start the actual treatment with a double cleanse, and cleansing is essential to properly prepare the skin for active ingredients. And for this step I use the Regenerating Cleansing Milk from Norel Dr Wilsz Anti-Age line. So this product is innovative because it combines the properties of a cleansing milk and a low foaming gel. It effectively removes impurities, makeup and SPF without stripping the skin. And what I love the most is that it's free from paraffin, silicones and comedogenic substances, making it suitable for all types of mature skin. Next, I perform a gentle exfoliation using the enzymatic peeling, and this product has a creamy texture and it's incredibly mild, making it suitable even for sensitive skin. It removes dead skin cells and impurities while smoothing and brightening the skin. And regular exfoliation is essential for maintaining a healthy, glowy complexion, and this peeling is also a great option for at-home use in your weekly skincare routine. And then it's time for the first star of the treatment, the Peat Mud mask. So this mask, as I mentioned already, is rich in humic acids, bitumens, enzymes and minerals, which provides that detoxifying, anti-inflammatory and astringent effects. And once applied, the mask works to cleanse and purify the skin quite deeply, leaving it brighter and refreshed. And then after the Peat Mud mask, the next step is where we introduce advanced technology and powerful active ingredients. So I use here sonophoresis to enhance the penetration of a wrinkle correcting cocktail packed with peptides like Sinocol and Sinotax, along with botanical active ingredients. So this cocktail is designed to stimulate collagen and elastin, which are crucial for firm, hydrated and youthful skin. The result is a smoother texture, reduced fine lines and a visible improvement in skin elasticity. And then it's time for the massage, and that's one of my favorite steps in every treatment. As well, it's a client favorite as well. So for this session I use a combination of the white tea mask and the massage lotion, and the mask has a rich creamy texture that soothes irritations, calms redness and provides anti-aging benefits. So the massage itself is designed to stimulate circulation, tone the skin and create a lifting effect. And this step is both relaxing and effective, leaving the skin refreshed and revitalized. After about 15 minutes of the lifting massage, I apply the smoothing mask with silk proteins. And this is a luxurious mask. It deeply hydrates, softens and tones the skin while providing a gentle lifting effect. The silk proteins also soothe an irritation, leaving the skin velvety smooth and visibly rejuvenated. And to conclude the treatment, I use the following products from the Norel Dr Wilsz Anti-Age line. So firstly, I pat into the skin the tonic essence with beautiful active ingredients which will leave the skin very hydrated and ready for the next steps of the skincare. Then I am using active peptide eye cream. That's a rich, non-greasy cream that deeply hydrates and firms the delicate skin around the eyes, reducing crow's feet and dark circles. And then I finish the treatment with the active regenerating peptide cream, and that cream is featuring that copper peptides with cosmetic drones we were talking at the beginning. And this cream provides intense hydration, improves skin's firmness and leaves the complexion radiant and youthful. And obviously, if this treatment is performed during the day, I finish with the SPF to ensure the skin is protected. Sun protection is a vital step in maintaining youthful skin. So this skin rejuvenating peptide treatment is ideal for any mature complexions in the need of regeneration, hydration and firmness. The results are instant and the experience is both effective and indulging. Let me know in the comments what you think of this treatment. Would you like to try it? And if you found this video helpful, please give it some thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with my latest content. And although I am a little late to the party, I still want to wish you a spectacular 2025. May all your plans, goals and dreams thrive this year. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!